Using a garage door with a broken cable is extremely unsafe. It can cause the door to jam, drop suddenly, or fail completely, leading to injury or property damage. In Flower Mound, Texas, garage doors are a primary entryway. Damaged cables require immediate garage door repair to avoid serious safety issues. Garage door cables are high-tension wires that lift and balance the door. When one breaks, the door may become misaligned or stuck. A broken cable adds stress to the opener, which can overwork and burn out. Trying to open the door manually could cause injury. Cables break due to wear and tear, rust, poor alignment, or faulty installation. These risks are higher in humid North Texas conditions. Warning signs include a crooked door, loud snaps, frayed wires, uneven lifting, or jerky operation. Stop using the door if you notice these. Professional technicians safely replace cables, adjust tension, realign tracks, and test for safe operation. DIY repairs are dangerous. Never force a door open with a broken cable. Contact a trained professional in Flower Mound, Texas to protect your safety and home.